for our final episode of
Cloverbud
Creators.
Today, me and Eva are going to be leading the video and we're going to make slime. So, first we're going to need bowls and glitter, optional, glues, and spoons, and some scissors. You're going to need activator too. And shaving cream. You don't, optional for shaving cream. Yep. And let's get started.
They have made this really easy. So we're using Elmer's Magic Liquid, which is right by the glue section. This is going to be our activator, but if you don't have this, you could also use contact solution with a little bit of baking soda as well. So that is what this replaces. They make this really easy because for every bottle of glue that you use in your slime, you need 1/3 of this magic liquid. So we're going to go ahead and let them show us how to make slime.
So first you want to add your glue. I'm going to make them at the same time because I know. After you add your glue, you want to add your shaving cream next? Yep. Not your activator, because I'm going to put in some of my sparkles next a little bit, because I'm going to save some for the end. We want a lot. Oh yeah, so now, we need to add activator. Wow, I'm gonna add activator. It smells like.
So we have two different kinds of activator.
We have metallic and confetti.
No.
No.
We have regular and metallic.
Can I have my metallic? I'm gonna add. And you don't. If you add too much activator, your slime will turn rubber. So you don't want to add too much at a time. Yep. And after you mix it a little bit, it's hand time. It will grow. If you are using this kind, it will grow when you stir it.
Right, so this is a shaving gel. But if you use regular shaving cream, then it will just be really big when you squirt the shaving cream out.
Yeah. I put some white, some blue, some purple, and some blue. All of it. So I'm working on my pink slime. I have put in some purple glitter. You can't really see it. And I think I need like more activator. I'm gonna make both of my slimes separate, and at the very end I will mix them together. I don't need it. I'm gonna wash my hands. Washing my hands with activator. Okay, yeah, can you add a little bit more?
So one tip that we have learned with slime is that if you put a little bit of activator on your hands before you touch the slime, that does tend to make it a little bit easier to start kneading.
Yes, it does. A lot. And you might want to start just with a little bit. It will make it easier. Right, Eva? Maybe. Like this. Mine is coming together. Just do a little bit at a time. After a lot of kneading and activating.
And cleaning up lots of interesting spills.
We finally made our slime, and look, it's even a bubble slime.
So one of the things that's really important to know is that you just have to keep kneading and kneading and kneading for a long time to get your slime to the level of slimy stretchiness that we have right here.
She actually said mine. And can I tell you something? So, if you're gonna make slime, just know, if you add shaving cream, lots of shaving cream, it does make good bubbles like this. But if you would add lots of shaving cream, it also does make it very sticky at the beginning.
You can also see that even though Lily started with blue and pink and Eva started with purple and silver, their slime turned out to be almost the same color. And I think it's because they added so much shaving cream.
Yeah.
But if you hold it up really close over my computer, you can see that it is pretty sparkly. So, if you are a parent and you're wondering about making slime, it is a little bit easier if you use the magic activator, and it is a lot easier to clean up. If you get activator on a paper towel, then you can clean it right off of any surface, including your hair, I learned.
Because she just got slime in her hair. Booyah!
So it does make it easier to clean up. So this has been our last episode of Cloverbud Creators for 2020. Girls, what do you want to tell the people who have watched us all summer?
Thank you.
And we hope that we'll be able to join you next year for our second season of
Cloverbud.